All right, so Abu Trica's case has taken a new twist and is very scary at this moment. Abu, Abu, Abu. There is a new development in the case, and at this point, it is not looking too good for the gentleman, Abu Trica. So, remember last year, Frederick Kumi, aka Abu Trica, was arrested by the FBI and some other security institutions in this country, and he was being processed for extradition to the US to face the authorities for romance scam and other similar crimes that they believe he has committed. But he was so lucky that he had a good lawyer in the person of Oliver Vakabamawo, who took the case to the Accra High Court, trying to prevent the extradition and to keep Abu in the country to prove his innocence in the case. From December 2025 till now, the case has been at the Accra High Court, up and down, back and forth, going to court, granting him a 30 million bail and all other things involved. Today, the case has been decided. The verdict is out from the Accra High Court. And per the verdict, the court has ordered that Abu Trica should be extradited to the USA to face prosecution there for the crimes that they believe he committed. It is very risky and it is not looking good for Abu Trica at this moment because if Abu is going to be extradited to the USA to face all these crimes, then where stands his fate? So, as it stands, Dada Joe Remix has pleaded guilty to similar charges in the US, and Abu is also going to be extradited to face similar charges. Where stands his fate? But the important and interesting thing is the case was at the High Court, and the court have declared that he should be extradited. Abu has the chance to go for an appeal. Yes, he can go for an appeal. Again, if the appeal goes against him, he has the chance to take it to a higher court. So, meaning from the appeal court, he may go to the Supreme Court. At the Supreme Court, if it goes against him, he even has the chance to go for a review again at the Supreme Court. So, I believe his lawyers will take these steps and other things to see that maybe in the case of him being extradited, he may even buy more time. Just like how from last year, December till now, he has been able to buy some time. This time, maybe he'll be able to buy some time, or he may even be free, and Abu will have his freedom. So immediately the court declared that he should be extradited. He was rearrested at the court. A very sad thing. This morning, Abu went to court. He walked by himself to the court. Then the court ordered for your rearrest. Then you lose your freedom. A very sad thing. But we hope that since he has some good lawyers, the lawyers will use the law, to try and set Abu free. And let's also try and remember Abu in our prayers that things will go well for Abu Trica, that this extradition process should be over and Abu should be free. Abu should have his freedom. One thing that people are talking about is somewhere last month, Abu granted an interview at Omia TV with Captain Smart. And people are saying someone that you have an issue in court and you are granting an interview, why don't you wait for the court to finish the processes before you can decide to grant an interview? But Abu didn't do that. People believe that interview was a setup, whatever. It's all adding up to the things that is his prosecutors are using it to gather evidence, information that he gave in that interview and stuff. His prosecutors are using it as evidence against him and a whole lot which are going against him today. What is your view? Do you think the nation didn't help Abu Trica? because it will be very difficult for Ghana to extradite a US citizen or even a Ghanaian citizen in the US to come back to Ghana to face the law. But the US is getting it so easily to extradite Ghanaian citizens to go and face the law. Do you think the nation didn't help Abu Trica? That maybe the nation could have protected him? Or you think the right thing has been done? If you have to face the law, you have to face it. Fight for yourself. If you are guilty, you face it. If you are free, you go home. Let me see what you think in the comment box.